In this video, you will learn about how to create a hexagonal pyramid whose base side is 30 mm and the height is 60 mm. The pyramid is resting on the HP on one of its base edges and the axis inclination is 35 degree with HP and parallel to VP. So for this one, first we have to create a pyramid with one of its base edges vertical. Make sure one edge is vertical on the right side. Then create a pyramid. Once the pyramid is created, try to tilt it to an angle of 35 degree with HP. To do that, we have to make the inclination from the vertical as 90 minus theta. Let's try to create this hexagonal pyramid for the given inclination by using Autodesk Fusion. Click on Create Sketch and select the top plane. Here we are going to draw the hexagon with a base side of 30 mm. While we are drawing, make sure one of the edges is vertical. So to create the hexagon, go to Create tab, select Polygon, choose any one of the method to create the hexagon. So I am choosing Inscribed Polygon. Click on the origin point and move your mouse. While you are moving the mouse, make sure one edge is vertical. So click over here. Now let's try to constrain this hexagonal shape. So make sure one edge is vertical. So let's click on the right side edge and let's give the dimension as 30 mm. So it is 30. So once you have created the hexagon, click on Finish Sketch. To give the height to the pyramid, let's try to create the apex point at the given height. So the given height is 60 mm. So let me try to create a plane at a distance of 60 mm. To create a plane, go to Construct, click on the drop down menu and select Offset Plane. Here, the plane I am going to offset is the top plane. So select the top plane and provide the height. So you can click and drag or you can give directly the value here. The value is 60 mm. That is the axis length. So give 60 mm and give OK on the window. Now select this particular plane and click on Create Sketch. So here a point need to be created exactly just above the center point of the polygon. So to do that, let's try to use the project command. So go to Create, go to Project bar Include, select Project. Now click on the origin point. So the origin is equivalent to the center point of the polygon. So click on the origin point and give OK. Now you can see here a point is created exactly just above the center point of the polygon. So it is exactly coinciding. So once you have created the point, click on Finish Sketch. Now we have created the hexagon and the point, the apex point. Now let's try to create the pyramid by using the Loft command. So click on Create and select the Loft command. So here you need to select the profile. The first profile is your hexagon. The second profile is your point. So click on the plus icon under the profiles. Just select the profile by clicking inside the polygon and then next click should be on the point. So once you have clicked both the profiles, you can able to get the hexagonal pyramid over here. So once the pyramid is created, Click on OK. So now the pyramid is created. You can see this is the top view of the pyramid and this is the front view of the pyramid. So in this edge, I'm going to keep it as the resting edge and I'm going to tilt it on the right side direction. So the tilting angle is 55 degree. That will make sure that the angle of axis with the horizontal plane is 35 degree. Let's try to do the inclination by using move bar copy command. So click on move bar copy. So it will open you the new window here. In this, make sure the option is rotate and select your object. And the axis of rotation is the edge which is going to rest. So here, the edge going to rest here is this edge. So select the edge and make sure whenever you are looking at the front, the circle of rotation is like this and it is going to rotate based on the right side, right hand portion. So here I'm going to rotate like this so that the axis is here. It has to be at an angle of 35 degree with the horizontal plane. So the rotation angle should be 55 degree. So type 55 degree. So you will get the rotation angle as 35 degree from the horizontal plane. Now click OK to confirm it. Now we have created the hexagonal pyramid for the given conditions. Thanks for watching this video.